Have you ever noticed how some golf shots just feel perfect, almost singing as the ball flies off the club face? And how others, well, they just sound a bit off? That distinct sound your driver makes is actually a surprisingly important factor for senior golfers, often impacting performance and enjoyment. For senior golfers, driver sound significantly influences confidence and perceived shot quality. A crisp, powerful sound provides instant feedback, making a well-struck shot feel more rewarding and reinforcing good mechanics. Conversely, a dull or muted sound can reduce satisfaction and even cause you to question the quality of your swing, regardless of the actual ball flight. The sound a driver makes is primarily determined by its head material, design, and internal acoustics. Modern drivers often feature lightweight titanium or composite materials, which can be tuned to produce a specific acoustic signature. A larger clubhead volume and thinner face generally amplify the sound, creating a louder, more robust impact tone. Manufacturers carefully engineer these elements to create a sound that suggests power and distance, something golfers of all ages, including seniors, often subconsciously equate with a good hit. Understanding this connection helps you make more informed choices. When testing new drivers, pay attention not only to how far the ball goes, but also to the sound and feel at impact. Look for a sound that resonates positively with you, perhaps a strong, confident thwack rather than a muted thud. This auditory feedback can boost your confidence, encouraging a more assertive swing and helping you relax and trust your technique on the course. An interesting detail is how club engineers use frequency analysis to fine-tune the acoustic properties of a driver. They aim for a specific hertz range that players perceive as powerful, often incorporating internal ribs or weighting systems to achieve this desired sound without sacrificing ball speed. This meticulous attention to acoustic detail demonstrates that the sound is not just an accident. It is an intentional part of the club's design to enhance the player's experience. It is all part of the club's overall feel, working in harmony with vibrations and visual cues. Ultimately, prioritizing a driver that sounds good to you is not just a preference. It is a smart strategy to improve your mental game and enhance your enjoyment of golf. When your driver delivers a satisfying sound, it reinforces positive feelings about your swing, boosts your confidence, and helps you enjoy every moment on the course.